Renee Starms here, and I just want to offer you a quick tip about your website. You know how everyone uses their mobile phones, so it's very important to make sure that your site is mobile friendly, especially given the fact that 97% of the people keep their mobile device with them at all times, and that has become like a mini computer. This is pretty much where we research. We do our Google searches, our YouTube watching, and so many things. This is where we go to review things before making purchasing decisions as well. So I just want you to be sure that your website or your blog is mobile friendly. And a great way to do this is by using Google's tool. It's a tool they've created to test to see if your site is mobile friendly. And you simply go to google.com/test/mobile friendly and just put that in the search bar. It will pop up. You give them your website's address, and then it will begin to just run the test for you. So that's just a little added thing. It's absolutely free. Go ahead and do that, and it can make a big difference for you. So that's all I have to say for today. Cheers. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.